Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start now by identifying your Mac and preparing hardware. Check whether your Mac uses Intel or Apple Silicon because the boot keys differ. This matters for stopping internet recovery. Once done, connect a wired keyboard or bootable installer and keep power connected. Make sure you have a current backup because we'll change startup behavior. Now reboot and watch the screen. You're aiming to intercept the recovery sequence before it loads fully to apply the safe prevention steps next. When the recovery process begins, act quickly to interrupt it. For Intel Macs, reboot and hold Option to choose a different startup disk. For Apple Silicon, shut down then press and hold the power button until startup options appear. Once in Options, open Startup Security Utility or Recovery Preferences and set the Mac to prefer local disk boot and disable automatic internet recovery where available. Make sure to confirm changes and select your boot volume. This prevents the system from automatically pulling internet recovery next time. Finish by restarting and verifying the Mac boots from the internal drive rather than internet recovery. If the system still falls back to internet recovery, reset NVRAM or PRAM on Intel Macs, or perform the equivalent on Apple Silicon by shutting down and waiting 10 seconds, then restart. If settings revert or fail, use your bootable installer to reinstall Mac OS locally. A key troubleshooting tip: if the Mac continually ignores local disks, check the internal drive's health with Disk Utility, or replace the drive before repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.